Hey there, it's Steve at the Auto Station. We're talking about brake service today in this series of videos. How do we keep our costs down car repair? How do we keep these cars going for the least amount of dollars and maintaining them and keeping the value of the car? Got a great example here. This is a 2017 Subaru Impreza. Car has been sitting for a long time during the pandemic. You know, the folks that own the car, been doing that working from home thing, haven't been getting out. And they picked up, now that we're starting to travel a little bit more, they get out in the car, they're driving it, and they say, you know what? I'm feeling a vibration when I apply the brakes. So we get the car in, we start talking with the folks, and you know what? They don't have the mileage on the car. So they're not seeing that typical wear where you get 3 years, 4 years out. The car's new, hasn't been driven, vibration problem. Great tip here. This is one way of solving the problem. This is a rotary brake lathe that we're using here in this example. We got this fancy machine. We hook up to where the wheel nuts are so the tire goes on, and we spin the rear axle. We have this tool that goes in and actually machines a layer off the rotor. It gets down through that pit corrosion, gets down through all that sort of heat affected stuff, and cuts a nice, clean, flat surface that we can then apply the brakes and get a really smooth braking feel. And it really restores the car. So if you're out there and you got some, a car with some brake vibration, you got something you're not really sure of the way that it's stopping, you don't like it, there are some low-cost alternatives. This is actually very effective. Using the original rotors on the car, we're going to put some new pads on it. It's going to come in at about half the cost of replacing the brake system. It's a great choice. Your service provider out there should be able to offer this to you, brake lathe system. If you're in the Burlington area, we'd be happy to help you with it. It's Steve at the Auto Station.